So guys, this is going to be our prediction for the day on our CADJPY. So let's see what CADJPY is actually going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market is going to be doing for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't yet subscribe, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at this movement on our CADJPY. So what can we say the trends on our CADJPY? It is very clear. CADJPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. Market is trending to the upside. Now, if you have to zoom it out, you see that the overall movement is trending to the upside, right? The overall movement on CADJPY is an uptrend move. When you zoom it in, also you will see the current trend, and the current trend is also what? An uptrend move. Now, this is the movement right here, guys. This is your high, and this is your higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Markets then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So this is the higher low. Also with this higher low, we should expect market to push up to it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our CADJPY. So be anticipating for a bullish move, by the way, for the day on our CADJPY. Now let's zoom into our 4-hour time frame. So we can see it right here. This is a multiple rejection zone right here. So we should expect market to do what? Bounce up from this level, from this support level. Expect market to bounce up and completely take out all these highs. So whatever you want to be doing on your CADJPY, you would want to be going for the buy. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on any single update.